5 simple ways to reduce your Binance Futures fees to increase your profits and become a better trader. I already covered how you can reduce your Binance fees on the spot market, but in this video we will focus on Binance Futures. So let's get straight into it. Number 1, reduce your leverage. On Binance Futures, you can use up to 125x. Binance is probably not gonna like me saying this, but reduce that leverage. You have to realize that it's not just the volume traded that is 125 times more, but also that you're paying 125 times more fees. Try to keep it at 10x or below. That will also give you a good margin to reduce the risk of liquidation due to high market volatility. Number 2, use maker orders. In case you didn't know, a taker order is an active order that is filled immediately at market price. While with a maker order, you set a price out of the market and wait until it gets filled. By using maker orders on your trades, you can cut the amount spent in trading fees by half in the USD markets, and it's up to 5 times cheaper in the coin margin contracts. To guarantee that your orders won't get filled immediately and pay a higher fee, select Post Only. This way you can safely avoid triggering a taker order by mistake. Of course, during times of high volatility, sometimes it can be preferable to make use of taker orders so that you can trade your position immediately. Number 3, use BUSD instead of USDT. Binance is having a promo until the end of November with incredible trading fees on the BUSD markets. With maker orders, you even make money instead of paying fees, and taker orders are also much cheaper than usual. Besides, unlike Tether, BUSD is regulated and audited, which increases your security and gives you peace of mind. Keep an eye out because they might extend this promo once again to promote the usage of BUSD on Binance Futures. Number 4, pay with BNB. If you're trading on the USD markets, you can reduce your trading fees by 10% if you pay using the BNB token. You just need to enable payments with BNB and have enough BNB tokens in your Binance Futures wallet to cover your trading fees. Keep in mind, this method is currently not available for the coin margin contracts, only USD. Number 5, use a referral code. Last but not least, if you still don't have a Binance account, sign up with the link below to get a further 10% fee discount on Binance Futures for your first 30 days and also a lifetime 10% discount on the spot market. Special thanks to our friend Alex Top who came up with this great video suggestion. If you want your video idea featured in this channel, just leave a comment below with the Binance tutorial that you would like to see. I hope this video has been helpful. If so, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials on the best crypto exchange.